In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to count scores in Google Sheets on desktop. Start by opening your Google Sheet on your computer so you have the full desktop interface. If your scores are already in the sheet, you're ready to go. If not, place them in a single column, one score per row, like B2, B3, B4, and so on. Keep in mind that these entries should be numbers, not text. If a score was typed with an apostrophe or pasted from another source as text, Count won't see it. A simple check is that true numbers behave like numbers. You can add or average them, and they're often right-aligned by default. Also, avoid including the column header in your range. Click an empty cell where you want the count to appear. This will be your results cell, and it can live near your data or in a summary area. Just make sure it's not already used. Now, to count every numeric score in your list, use the count function. Type count and then provide your range. For example, if your scores run from B2 to B100, type count B2 B100, then close the parenthesis. You can also select the range with your mouse after the opening parenthesis, and Sheets will fill it in for you. Count includes whole numbers, decimals, and negative values, and it ignores blanks and text like NA or comments. If you need to count only the scores that meet a specific condition, use COUNTIF. In the same or another empty cell, type COUNTIF range criteria. The range is the same set of cells with your scores. The criteria tells Sheets what to include. For example, COUNTIF B2B10 50 returns how many scores are greater than 50. When you use comparison symbols like or COW, put the whole condition in quotes. For instance, 90 counts scores of 90 or more. To count exactly one value, you can use €85. If you forget the quotes around comparisons, you'll likely get 0, so it's worth double-checking. Press Enter to see the results. The cell instantly shows the count, and it updates automatically whenever scores in that range change or when you add more rows inside the range. If the count looks off, confirm that your range matches your data and that your scores are stored as numbers. You can also move the formula to a different location, just make sure it still points to the correct cells. And that's how you count scores in Google Sheets on desktop. With Count for all numeric entries and COUNTIF for targeted conditions, you can quickly summarize your data and stay confident in your results.